I've been hearing news and reviews about this new Make Money Online app that can earn you close to $1,000 a week for absolutely free. That's right, you can make money online from this application for doing next to nothing, and I'll be showing you exactly how to do this in a few moments, so stay tuned. I'll also be showing you some bonus apps and websites that can make you passive income even in your sleep, so you really don't want to miss any part of this video. Now, let's get right into it. As I said earlier, this application allows you to make money online as you commute, go about your daily activities, and you can even make money while you're sleeping. How it works is simple. You download the app and play music on it as you like. When you play music available on the app, you earn points. And you can turn those points into cash that will be sent straight to your PayPal account, or you can choose to turn them into gift cards to shop on your favorite websites, including Walmart, Amazon, Target, eBay, and many more. This means you could leave the music playing on the app and go about your day. It doesn't stop your points from increasing. And that's not all you can get points for on this app. There are so many tasks you can complete on the app to make money, like watching ads, taking quizzes, answering surveys, referring your friends, and so much more. The Android version of this app even gives you points for just charging your phone. While this app certainly won't make you a billionaire, it will certainly help you make a couple of extra bucks to take care of a few things. Not to mention the cool stuff you can buy simply by using the points you get from this app. At this point, you're probably already wondering, well, what app is this? The app is called Current, and I'd rather you check it out on the website first before downloading it on the Google Play Store, so you don't download the wrong app by accident. So, search for current.us on your web browser, and you'll see the homepage for this app. The app is available for Android devices as Mode and iOS devices as Current. So you can click the button that says Download on the App Store if you have an Apple device, or get it on Google Play if you are using an Android phone. Or alternatively, you can just take note of the app's logo and search for it on your App Store, and then you can install the app on your device to begin. An important thing to note when creating an account with Current is to make sure to use the same email address you use for your PayPal with this app and not any other email. This will help make sure the processing of payment transactions is seamless and easy. If you don't have a PayPal account yet, create one. A lot of these opportunities to make money online make use of PayPal, and it's not so difficult to set up. Now that you've set up your account, you can go right ahead and start listening to music to earn points. To do that, select music from the icons on the very bottom of your screen, and then you'll see a page where you can make selections on what music you'd like to listen to. You can earn points regardless of what type of music you select, so you don't even have to listen to a specific type of music. The app boasts of having more than 100,000 radio stations that you can play music from, but all the radio stations that carry your chosen genre will appear when you make a selection. You can navigate through this and find one to listen to. There are even exclusive radio stations that only play a specific artist in your genre. That means that, even in your favorite genre, you don't have to listen to artists you don't particularly enjoy. Once you find a station, click Save, and it will be included in your saved stations that you can access from your library. You start to earn points the minute you hit the play button. But as I said earlier, that's not all you can do to make money online here. Another way to rake in points daily is by completing tasks like downloading and trying new apps, taking quizzes, playing games, and so on. You can earn up to 25,000 points by completing as many tasks as you can in a day. You just click on the Earn icon at the bottom corner of your screen and select Tasks and Offers, and you'll be presented with the number of tasks available that can earn you points, as well as the points you stand to earn from them. It's that simple. You can also share your opinion to earn points. This can earn you up to 10,000 current points, and it doesn't take much of your time at all. These come in very simple surveys and opinion points that you can complete in 5 to 10 minutes, each of which can bring you an average of 50 to 800 points. Now imagine you take about 5 surveys for 800 points each. You've just made about 4,000 points in less than 30 minutes. And there are always surveys to fill out. Even if you share your opinion says no surveys available, just check back after a few minutes and you'll find another set of questionnaires available. And that's still not all that makes you money on this app. You can earn points by watching ads. Now, these ads are usually worth 6 to 10 points each, and you can watch on average 10 to 12 ads every day. That's an easy 100 points added to your account every day without doing anything. However, there is a limit on the number of apps you can watch, but don't worry. After 24 hours, you can come back and watch even more ads. One of the best ways to earn points on Current, besides listening to your favorite artists, is by referring your friends. When you click on the Invite Friends icon, you'll be shown your referral link that you can either copy and send to specific people or just share on your social media. What's great about this one is that you can earn up to 500 points whenever someone registers for the app with your referral link, and you're also entitled to 5% of their earnings for life. So while you're using the app and you're getting your own points, you can also get 5 extra points for every 100 points that your friend gets. And if your friend refers another friend, they get their 5%, and you earn an extra 5% on what they've earned. Amazing, right? You can also have as many friends as you want to be registered with Current and earn money from them. The more friends you share the app with, the faster you can accumulate points and the more dollars you can earn in a short time. Another bonus tip to make money online and maximizing your earnings on Current is to sign up for the app's email subscription. These emails will update you whenever there are point multipliers and bonuses that you won't readily see on the app itself. Be sure to check for these messages from time to time, as they have important point booster tips that you won't be able to access from elsewhere. What about when you want to cash out on your points? That process is pretty easy, but before we get into that, I want to share with you some other platforms where you can make money online for doing basically nothing, and at no hidden charge or fee. The first one is Money SMS, and you can get to this website by going to moneysmsapp.com. It's very simple to use, as you get paid automatically by receiving an SMS generated by their system on your phone. That's right, you don't have to perform any tasks or complete any surveys to get paid. Just download the app and register to receive messages, and you will get paid for every SMS sent to you. The next app I'll be sharing with you is called cashmagnetapp.com, and this app makes you money simply by running it on your phone. That's right, you can start earning on this app simply by downloading it and opening it from time to time. And not to worry, both apps are totally secure, as they will not snoop through your private information. They simply run their operations on your phone and reward you with points that you can cash in for allowing them to. Now back to spending your points on the app Current. Tap on the points icon at the bottom part of the screen of the app, and you'll be shown exactly how many points you've been able to gather. Here, you select the Spend option that appears below your current number of points. This will show you a number of ways you can choose to spend your points, as well as how much it will cost in current points, including electronics, PayPal gift cards, Walmart gift cards, and many more. Note that you can only redeem these gift cards if you have reached the minimum number of points attached to them. Once you confirm your selection, an email will be sent to you stating that your request is in the process. Once confirmed, your money will be available on your PayPal account for you to do as you wish. These are some of the easiest ways to make money online, so head on over to your app store, install these apps, and start making money online.